It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 13th of January. I'm James Spann. Cold and cloudy and dreary across Alabama today. Looks like it's going to be Friday before the sun comes back in full force. Let's take a look at things with the Skycam network this afternoon. What you see is what you get. Overcast conditions from Trussville. The same gray sky over Birmingham. That's the view from the top of the Daniel building looking back over toward Children's of Alabama. And from Tuscaloosa, it's cloudy. We have a surface boundary to the south of us over South Alabama and a southwest flow aloft, pushing moisture on top of the colder air, overrunning, if you will. And that pattern kind of sticks around for the next few days. Got that upper low hanging back in the southwest United States. But look at the cloud cover. That's the visible satellite view. Very thick clouds over most of Alabama. A few thin spots over the southern half of the state, but not very many. Temperatures are only in the 30s north of Birmingham. Mostly low 40s for north central Alabama. Some 50s down across the southern part of the state today. The really cold air stays up north. East of here, winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories for parts of North Carolina. And back in the southwest, winter storm warnings for the southern Rockies. But other than that, things are relatively quiet around the nation. And this is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through the weekend, through Sunday evening, suggesting maybe a little bit here. We're starting to see some evidence. We might need to mention some scattered light rain on Thursday. Check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 12 noon at 500 millibars. Kind of a split flow, the southern branch with that trough hanging back over Arizona and New Mexico. And down below that, the day should be mostly cloudy. We have seen a little evidence maybe that the clouds might thin out slightly tomorrow afternoon. So some of you might see a glimpse of the sun, but don't count on it. And again, in the morning, there could be a bit of drizzle in scattered locations, and the high should be in the upper 40s. Both the GFS and the NAM are at 48 for Birmingham tomorrow. Now, Thursday got a wave passing south of the state. No doubt there's a chance of rain for Mobile, Gulf Shores, Pensacola, Panama City. But look at this. The high-res NAM brings the light rain all the way up to Interstate 20 and 59 during the day Thursday. And out of respect to that, we're going to mention the chance of a little light rain Thursday, the sky cloudy, nothing too heavy. And again, I just don't think we get out of the 40s. Another gray, damp, dreary, chilly day. But Friday will be different. Subsidence sets in, sinking air. The sun comes back in full force and the high rising up into the middle 50s. And a beautiful day on Saturday to kick off the weekend. Sunny and low 60s are likely. The GFS is printing a high of 61. Feels pretty good. Now, Sunday, the sky will stay sunny, but we're getting cold air advection. We'll call it partly sunny, and the high will likely go back into the mid-50s. Nothing too cold, but it will be a bit cooler. And Monday of next week, cool and dry. We start the day around freezing, the high in the low to mid-50s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday the 20th, trough action over the northern plain states. All of that stays north of us. We're seasonal, 50s, 30s, no rain. This is Thursday of next week, the 22nd. This is the GFS suggesting that might be our next chance of rain, and even that doesn't look like a big event. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 29th, and we've seen all kind of looks out here. There's no good consistency. This is showing ridging near the west coast and troughing over us, and we see that snowy look there for North Alabama, but I will almost guarantee you that will be gone on the next run. Quick peek at temperatures coming off the ensembles. Very close to seasonal averages. For the most part, highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s through pretty much the end of this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.